for Pilou. Make way for Pilou, the greatest furry ball player in history! Her ball control is awesome!
Buffy Cats, we're gonna rock at tonight's concert. Word of Lampo.
Let's try one last time.
Okay, m'lady, but I want to try this delicious sandwich first.
Where's Pilou? Hey, Pilou! Pilou!
I'm coming, Lampo!
My guitar!
Bass!
Oh, poor me. My sandwich doesn't exist anymore.
I'm sorry, Meatball. I just wanted to play. Buffy Cats, up for a game of furry ball? Huh? Lampo! Catch!
Sounds like fun, but we better get our instruments fixed for tonight's concert first.
And I have to salvage my snack.
I'm sorry, but we can't play with you right now, Pilou. Huh? I heard a meow. Maybe I found some cat to play with. Hi, I'm Pilou. Hello. What's your name? Baby Pie. Baby Pie. Baby Pie. I get it, Baby Pie.
Pilou, we're off to the scrapyard. Gotta ask Wrench to fix our instruments. Who's your little friend here?
Baby Pie. You must be new in town, right? Milady, I can come. I can't leave a poor kitten with no one to play with. Yes! Let's play. Come on. Remember, steer clear of Granny Penis trophies in the sitting room.
And have fun, but don't make a mess.
Don't worry, Lampo. Baby Pie and I will be good, and we'll have fun together. Baby Pie, where are you?
Good. Now I'm ready to write my article about the werecat. But I need absolute silence. The werecat.
Baby Pie, what are you doing? Come back here right now. Wait, Baby Pie, hold on. Stop, Baby Pie, come back. Again! Oh, Baby Pie, I've got a game that's way more fun to play. Hey, where did you go? The squirrel game! Wanna play catch the cat? I'll catch you first.
Kitties! Where are you? Granny won another trophy at the Noodle Cook-Off. Hello, Kitty. Oh, I see you've made friends with Pilou. Oh, such a playful kitten. You'll get along well together.
Baby Pie, leave that squirrel alone.
Let's play furry ball! Get a squirrel! Wanna play with me? Yeah!
Okay, but you have to be good. Let's play like this. Pass the ball back and forth, nice and easy. Baby Pie, I said easy. You want to challenge me at furry ball? Ask for it. That's not fair. That's against the rules.
Hey. Hey, this is the second time I've been disturbed.
You gotta be careful. Someone could get hurt.
This ball came from your garden. Pay attention next time.
Thanks, Gabby. I'm sorry. We'll be more careful. Let's do something quieter. Wanna paint pictures? I'll draw a forest. What about you?
Green cat.
Hey, not on the carpet. Give me that brush.
That's a funny hat.
Baby Pie, you're a brat. Really? A brat cat.
The day is done when you come home. He's gonna jump on the floor. Behind the door, it's your dog, very cheerful. Into the bowl, swims on patrol all day, whirling around without a sound. It's your fish, very cheerful. The sun is rising and he's singing, wishing you a good day. So I can say, it's your bird, very gleeful. But when the sofa and the chair are full of scratches and hair, there is a brat cat who makes tempers flare. He wants to play.
Play furry ball again? Come on.
I don't feel like it. You always make such a mess.
Just one kick.
Oh, fine. But you promised just one kick.
Okay.
Oh, no! That's the trophy Granny Pina won at the noodle cook-off. What do we do now?
We play!
No, I can't play. I have to fix it before Granny sees it.
Where are you going?
To the scrapyard. I'll ask Wrench to fix the trophy.
Can I help you? I just wanna...
You've done enough already.
I just wanna play with you.
Wrench will have this trophy fixed in no time. But where did he go? Oh, no. Blister and Scab, always up to no good.
Scab, what about this one?
No way! We gotta impress Boss, so we need to pin something fancy.
Hey, you! Taking other people's things is not nice.
Oh, look, Blister! An angry kitten!
2 gifts for Boss. That'll make him twice as happy.
This is Granny Pina's trophy.
That I broke in half.
Yeah, that baby pie broke in half. Hey, what are you doing here?
Wanna play furry ball?
All right, baby pie. Let's play 2-on-2.
So you two are one team, and I'm with Pilou.
Ho, 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 ho! Ready to lose, brats?
What are you talking about?
Come on! Who doesn't love to play furry ball?
Scab, we gotta nab the trophy and go.
Put your mess-making skills to use. This calls for your powerful just one kick. Ready?
Yeah.
Look out!
That was so much fun!
Wanna play again?
Yeah, I know a bunch of other games, too.
Yeah.
Took a while to find the parts, but the Buffy Cat's instruments should be all good now. And what is this? Granny Pina's trophy! And it's broken?
I can fix it.
Hi, guys! Did you two have fun together?
Yeah, a lot of fun! Baby Pie is the perfect playmate. Well, I gotta go now. My mom is waiting. Wait, I'll walk you. We'll try other games next time, Pilou? Of course, Baby Pie. Come back when you want. Yeah. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
I knew we could trust you, Pilou.
Now we just need Wrench to come by with our instruments so we can finish rehearsing for the concert.
Wrench! Granny Pina's trophy! I forgot it at the scrapyard.
Looking for this, Pilou?
Wrench!
Found it in my scrapyard. And I fixed it. I can't stand to see broken things.
Granny Pina's trophy! As good as new. From now on, I shall make sure no one breaks it again. Who wants to play furry ball?
I do. Me too. Pilou, you really are a brat. A brat cat. Pilou-saurus Rex.
Onward to the 4th dimension!
Lampo, stop. We were playing prehistoric cats.
Me too, m'lady. So what?
Did they have skateboards and flashlights a million years ago?
Oh, I'm a next generation prehistoric cat.
Those ratty cats! My villa is too exclusive to abide such noisy neighbors. Granny Pina's cats are not refined like my boss here. But the time has come. I'll get my revenge for all this unruly behavior. I had a device built for me, the perfect spy to lure those ratty cats into a trap. You scaredy cat, it's not real. It's just a plastic robot dinosaur. Ooh, curiosity will catch those ratty cats. They will come close, and we will spy on them, thanks to the built-in video camera. It appears to be a simple toy at first, but I can control it remotely. Greetings, boss. I can make him say whatever I want. And use it to teach Granny Pina's cats a lesson. But not today. We'll have fun with the dinosaur tomorrow. My favorite movie is on TV tonight, The Were T-Rex. Missing it would be unacceptable.
Hey, little dinosaur. Why wait till tomorrow? You and I can have fun today.
Listen, my tribe. I see wild saber-toothed tiger.
We captured tiger for tribe. Yeah.
You'll never get me.
My furry fellows, look! A real dinosaur! Prehistoric dinosaur in need of lots of cuddles. Oh, it's so sweet! Dinosaurs are really intelligent creatures.
Pilou, it's not a real dinosaur. It's made of plastic.
It doesn't matter, Lampo. We absolutely have to adopt him.
The dinosaur's camera works perfect.
Are you sure you want to adopt a toy, Pilou?
Yes, milady.
Great, Pilou. Adopt the dinosaur.
But where will we keep him?
It's not a thinking toy. You can tell because its brain is so small.
No! I can't see anything! Stop it, Meatball! Stop it, Meatball!
You know my name? So you're a thinking toy after all. Buffy Cats, the dinosaur just talked. He said my name.
I've got a Buffy brainstorm. Whoever can do the loudest dinosaur roar gets to take care of the plastic dinosaur all day.
Me first! This is the roar of the Triceratops.
It's my turn now. This is the roar of the T-Rex.
Come on, Meatball. It's your turn.
Sorry. That's the roar of a brontosaurus who ate too much.
It's your turn now, Pilou.
All right, I'll do the roar of a prehistoric butterfly.
Buffy Cats, I guess she wins.
Here you go, Pilou. Today, you're gonna take care of the plastic dinosaur.
Yeah!
Enough playing prehistorics. Who wants to go to the park?
I'll let you play with the dinosaur a while, and then make my move.
My tough plasticky dinosaur has a body that's all deformed. Tiny arms like a centipede, but strong legs like a star athlete. Oh, his logic's illogical, making sense is improbable. Ask him something, he shakes his head, and goes straight back to bed. And we call him Tira, 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 Tira. Stop it now. And we call him Tira, 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 Tira. Teasing not allowed. And we call him Tira, 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 Tira. Will this ever end? I tried to train him through and through, but it's not working. I don't know what to do. And we call him Tira, 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 T-Rex. And we call him Tira, 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 T-Rex. I don't understand why you're being so naughty. Bad dinosaur.
Hello, Edison.
What are you doing with that device?
This isn't any ordinary device. It's my formidable receiver.
Your what?
It's one of my inventions. It intercepts all sorts of radio waves.
Looks like a normal radio. What's happening?
That dinosaur is interfering with my invention.
Hey, I'm really hungry for spaghetti and meatballs.
That means we're in danger.
Huh? Hey! What happened?
My poor dinosaur.
Pilou, I'm sorry about your toy.
This is much more than a simple toy. Look, a video camera. Someone was spying on you.
Yes, but who?
Come on! Listen to me!
Hey, it's moving again.
Do something, you good-for-nothing reptile! Dinosaur, work now! We still have lots of pranks to play on the Buffy Cats!
But that's Boss's voice.
Where are you, Buffy Cats?
Hey, what do you want from me?
So Boss was the cause of all our troubles.
He used this remote-controlled dinosaur to play tricks on us.
Come on, dinosaur, run! Catch him, quick!
I've got a possum Buffy brainstorm to send him back to Boss.
Nothing doing. I can't control it anymore.
Boss!
The where T-Rex is chasing us!
Boss! Where are you? This is your favorite part! Huh?
Oh, no! We're lost! If Winston finds out what I did, I can kiss my favorite kitty treats goodbye for at least a month. Better act like nothing happened.
The where T-Rex is sleeping. Quick, let's get out of here. I think we're safe.
Here you are. This is the scary part.
He's awake, and he's staring at us!
Edison, can you fix this dinosaur?
Just a sec. I'm working on my receiver.
Bad dinosaur. He has to go back to his owner.
He played too many tricks on us.
Don't worry, Buffy Cats. I have reprogrammed him. He'll go back home safe and sound. Can you imagine Winston and Boss's reaction when they see him back home?
Oh no! He found us! The where T-Rex is here! It's over! I can hear his steps! We're safe. He didn't see us. Oh no! We have to get out of here! I've never seen such a terrible creature!
The Were T-Rex! The prehistoric monster is coming from inside my house!
Pilou, would you like to roar like a T-Rex?
Yes! Thank you, Edison. Ahem. Playing prehistorics is really important!
Pilou, the kitten sitter.
Meatball cat!
Lady, your turn.
This game is so fun, I could play this all day.
I'm sorry, Pilou, but Kato's waiting for me for a cat foo lesson.
Sorry, Buffy Cats, but I gotta go too. I'm supposed to visit my Uncle Archibald, and I'm late.
Oh, my meatballs! I gotta run. There's a kitty treat sampling party today.
Bye, Pilou.
See you later.
Didn't take long for them to clear out. That's not a problem. I'll have plenty of time to play with my doll, Kelly. Hey, Kelly, do you want to go to the park? You do? It's such a wonderful day. We're going to have lots of fun together. Hey, Kelly, look who's coming.
Hello, Pilou. Where are you off to?
Hello, Dr. Frisbee. I'm taking Kelly to the park.
She's a beautiful doll.
Dr. Frisbee, would you be so kind as to give Kelly a checkup?
Oh, of course, Pilou. I always carry a thermometer with me. Let's see if she has a fever. A healthy temperature. Your baby is absolutely fine. And she's not even using a pacifier. She's very grown up.
Thank you, Dr. Frisbee. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Pilou. Bye, Kelly.
There's cream. I really want an ice cream.
Hey.
Wait for me here and be good.
Here's your ice scone, Pilou.
Thanks, Cream. Here we go, Hope. Aren't you happy to be at the park? Hope, my love, you're a big girl now, and big girls don't use pacifiers. All right, fine. but sooner or later you'll have to give it up. Be good. This kitty treat flavor is possum. Let's go back home, Kelly. Hi, Cream. Can I have an ice cream?
Here you are, Lola.
Thank you. Bye, Cream. Good thing Hope didn't wake up. Wait, where's Hope? What a nice walk we had, right, Kelly? Now, after all that exercise, I need a nap too. Sleep tight, Kelly. I didn't know Kelly could cry. Either you turned into a kitten, or I took the wrong stroller. Please, Kitty, don't cry. Look at me. Look at me. I'm a clown. It's not working, but I gotta find a way to calm her down. Twinkle, twinkle, little kitty, sleep and you'll be really pretty. I've got a Buffy brainstorm. I'll show her my toys from when I was a baby. Look, you like it? In here. See anything you like? What did you take, Kitty? That pacifier was a gift, but I'd already outgrown them and I never used it. What are you doing? You're too old for pacifiers. Come on, give my pacifier back. It's mine. If this is the only thing that will stop you crying, you can have it. But just until I find your mommy. I better find this kitten's mommy as soon as possible. Police cat!
Hello, Lola. Is something wrong?
My baby, Hope, is gone. And in her place, I found this doll.
I'll help you find her. She might have found a way home. Let's start there.
Hey, Pilou. What are you doing here?
Hi, Milky. Hi, Shock. I'm looking for this kitten's mommy.
She's so cute. Hey, what are you doing with this pacifier? You're a big girl.
You clowns! Can you do a trick and calm her down?
Hey! Whoa!
Thank you for your help. Bye, Milky. Bye, Chalk.
Have a nice stroll, Pilou.
Hey, Kitty. Can you tell me who your mommy is? All right. I'll keep on looking for her on my own. Ambrosio, Snobby, and hello, my furry fellows.
Hi, Pilou. Taking Kelly for a walk?
No. Actually, I'm looking for this kitten's mommy.
Wow! She's so sweet. Look at those eyes. Oh, a grown-up kitty like you still uses a pacifier.
Down, kitty!
Do you like my mirror? Hmm? There you go. She's calm now. Kittens love playing with mirrors.
Pilou, you made her laugh.
Yeah, but I get the feeling she'd rather just have the pacifier.
See you soon, Pilou.
Bye-bye, kittens. Oh.
Hi, Pilou. What brings you here?
Hi, Gas. I'm looking for this kitten's mommy.
And what's our pretty kitty's name?
I don't know. I'd like to find her mommy and maybe get her to stop using that pacifier.
Good old Gas can entertain one sweet kitten. Yep, here's a balloon filled with stink. Now, I'm gonna make it...
No! Wait, Gas! Yuck!
You see? The kitten's having fun.
You're right! And even better, she dropped the pacifier! Possum, Gas! You don't want the pacifier anymore? So you've grown up!
Well done, kitty. Can you tell Pilou who your mommy is?
Lola! Lola? I know her! I know where she lives! At the abandoned building! Bye, Gas!
Once again, stinky mission accomplished.
Good! Lola's house is here. Let's look for your mommy. Oh, here she comes.
Look, Lola, Hope is back home.
Mommy! Oh, my kitty! You don't want a pacifier anymore? No, Lola. Hope is a big kitty and doesn't need it anymore. Isn't that right, Hope? This is fantastic news! Very good, Hope. Pilou. Of course. Pilou has been very good, too. You're a perfect vice mommy. Thanks for taking her home. Pilou and Hope, besties forever. And now I'll take Kelly home, too. Bye, Cop. Bye, Lola. Bye-bye, Hope. Bye, Pilou.
Bye, Pilou, and thanks again.
Hey, Pilou, where have you been?
My furry fellows, it was a possum day for Kelly and me. But this is Hope's pacifier. We don't need it anymore.
Now, Meatball, aren't you a bit old for a pacifier?
I never use a pacifier.
Dr. Frisbee, do you know a way to get Meatball to take the pacifier out?
Mm-hmm. Of course. Leave it to me, Pilou.
What are you thinking of doing with that super hammer, Dr. Frisbee?
I just want to make sure you have good reflexes to throw the pacifier once and for all.
But Dr. Frisbee, I never use a pacifier.
Now we'll see.
Pilou and her loose tooth. Buffy cats, let's play cat and seek. Ready? Come on, you can hide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 7 is 42. Plus 2 makes 44. Ready or not, here I come. Aha! That bonbon looks familiar. Meatball, I found you! Are you hurt, Meatball?
No, Izata. I always have a soft landing.
Meatball has a rear airbag.
What a catastrophe! My tooth is wiggly. What do I do? You can ask my cat for help. Mimi is a doctor for kittens. She can definitely help with your teeth.
I guess I'll be fixing the slide on my own then.
Don't worry, Meatball. Milady and I will lend you a paw.
Bye-bye, Buffy Cats. Bye, Isata. See you later. There's Mimi's ambulance.
Hello, little one. What's your name?
My name's Pilou.
Nice to meet you, Pilou. Please come in. Have a seat. What's troubling you, Pilou?
My tooth is wiggly.
Okay. May I have a look?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's okay, Pilou. It's perfectly normal. A loose tooth ready to fall out.
I don't want it to fall out.
It's a baby tooth. A grown-up tooth will grow in its place.
But I like baby teeth, especially mine.
Then you and I will care for that tooth together. Now I must check up on the neighborhood kittens. Would you like to be my assistant?
Yes! I'm so ready, Mimi. Let's go! Here comes Mimi. What's up, Baby Pie? I wanted to get the ball out of the jar, but my paw got stuck. I'll never get it out. I'll have a paw in the jar forever.
Don't worry, Baby Pie. We'll just cool the jar and free your paw.
I've got a Buffy brainstorm. Let's go see Cream, the ice cream maker cat.
Awesome idea, Pilou. Don't worry, Baby Pie. We'll solve this problem in a minute. Hello, Cream.
Hello, Mimi. Hello, Pilou. How may I help you?
What's the chilliest ice cream flavor you have?
I don't know. We could just try them all.
Cream, please ask Pilou for help. I want to make her feel better about her wiggly tooth.
Hey, Pilou. Would you like to try all the flavors to find the chilliest one?
No way, Cream. I don't want my tooth getting cold.
I'll do it!
Meatball?
Lucky for you, you're looking at the world's greatest ice cream taster. I don't always eat ice cream for afternoon snack, but this time, I'll make an exception. It's cold. Meow, meow, Cream. Cold. Clawberry and cat nougat. Lemon meow is the chilliest flavor
ever. All yours, Pilou.
Thanks, Cream. Now let's get back to Baby Pie, Mimi.
Bye, Mimi. Bye, Pilou.
Hey, Cream. Can I get some help here?
Don't worry, Meatball. Once you're out, I'll treat you to an ice cream.
Thank you.
Come on, Baby Pie. Put your paw in a jar in the lemon meow ice cream. It's so chilly. Yay! My paw is free. No, Baby Pie. You'll just get it stuck again. But I want to play. If you want the ball, turn the jar over. Look, like this. Yay! Now watch Baby Pie's thrilling throw.
Cream, maybe treat me to a hot chocolate instead.
Thank you. I'm going back to play.
You were cat-tastic, Pilou. Let's go to our next stop. happened, Terry?
Something terrible! My teeth turned brown! After I ate all the chocolate I had.
Too much chocolate is bad for your tummy. And it stains your teeth. You have to brush them.
Brush my teeth? How do you do that?
We'll just need a toothbrush.
Oh! Edison the inventor cat has everything! Let's go! Hey, Lambo! Hey, milady!
Hi, Pilou. We came to Edison for some super glue.
Edison, do you have a toothbrush? Terry has to brush his teeth.
Not one, but 3 brand new electric toothbrushes. My own invention.
Edison, can you please ask Pilou to test a toothbrush?
Pilou, why don't you show your friends how to use an electric toothbrush?
I'm sorry, I can't, Edison. My baby tooth might fall out.
Okay, Lampo and I will test them.
First, squeeze out the toothpaste. Second, turn on your toothbrush. Third, brush your teeth.
I think they want to get rid of the foam. How can they do that, Mimi?
Simple. Just rinse your mouth.
Wow! Our teeth are super clean.
Thanks to my invention. Found it. Here's the super glue, Lampo.
Thank you, Edison. I can't wait to show Terry how it's done. First, squeeze out the toothpaste. Second, turn on your toothbrush.
Wow! This is fun!
It's not a game, Terry. You need to get the toothbrush closer to your teeth. Like me. Third, brush your teeth. You can rinse your mouth now. Like this.
My teeth are white again! Thanks, Mimi! Thanks, Pilou!
Hey, you even helped your baby tooth fall out.
My tooth! It's in the glass! You were right, Mimi. It fell out on its own. I'm getting to be a big girl cat.
You're a big girl cat already. And a possum assistant.
Thank you. I'll run and tell the Buffy cats.
Bye!
Look, my furry fellows. My baby tooth fell out.
Great, Pilou. You just gave me a catastic idea for a brand new song.
Pilou is very sweet, a precious little cat. She wants to keep her baby teeth, but things don't go like that. Mimi is telling her it happens to everyone. She doesn't have to care, 'cause growing up is fun. Mimi is gonna take a look at Pilou's teeth inside the possum ambulance along the street. And suddenly Pilou no longer
right, Lampo.
Stop, Buffy Cats!
What's up, Edison?
I gave you the wrong tube. This is the glue. The other one is a tube of instant ice.
Anyone got a hair dryer?
The Great Scooter Race.
Come on, Lampo. We gotta hurry.
Watching the Buffy Cats gardening is so boring, it's ridiculous.
Almost done, milady. Are the carrots ready to be pulled? Hey, a carrot is missing.
So good. So yummy.
Who's behind this bush?
Meatball. We'll need these carrots for the final leg
Of the scooter race!
Wow! Pilou, that was a possum stunt!
Of course, Lampo. I think I'm ready for the race.
Ooh, finally something interesting. A race is a great time to play a prank.
Good luck, Pilou! We'll be waiting here for the final leg of the race.
Welcome to our annual scooter race for kittens. And say hello to our little racers, Scribbly, Baby Pie, Pilou. Now that the kittens are all here, the race can begin.
Wait! I'm coming too!
Hello, Terry. But you're not a kitten.
Yes, I am, Gabby. I can meow like kittens. Meow. I wash like kittens. And I can make sweet eyes like kittens.
Of course. You can join the other kittens, little Terry.
Yay! Terry the kitty together with all the kitties!
Dear kitties, your first challenge is to twirl elegantly from one ramp to another.
The first to go will be Pilou.
A truly refined stunt. Congratulations, Pilou.
Scribbly, your turn now.
I came to the race to meet new friends, but I don't know if I can handle challenges like this.
Don't worry, Scribbly. If you need help, I'll lend you a paw.
Thanks, Terry. You're a good friend.
No!
A perfect stunt. Well done, Scribbly. And now it's up to... Where's Terry?
For a super jump, you need a super running start. Make way!
Great, Terry. That stunt of yours was truly dizzying. Wait, Baby Pie. We're coming to lend you a paw.
I'm sorry, Snubbin. My stunt didn't work so good.
You did great, though, Baby Pie.
Here, you deserve a nice ice cream.
Thanks, Cream.
Our second challenge was designed by Gas, the stinky cat.
I made an obstacle course along the sidewalks in town using trash. You don't just have to avoid the obstacles. You also gotta pick up one of these flags before you get to the end.
Get ready, set, go! Cub, can you hear me? They're on their way.
Okay, Gabby, I'll handle this. Safety first.
Look, the light is green.
We can cross the street easy with a police cat helping us. Thanks, Cub.
Look, we have to jump the cans.
I don't think I can do it.
Don't worry, Scribbly. Just follow us. Give yourself a boost.
Thanks for the tip, Pilou.
My flag! Easy!
Don't worry, Scribbly. I'm sure the next obstacles will be easy. Huh?
I'm not so sure about that, Pilou. Those cans are too high to jump.
My flag is on that bench. That means I gotta go that way.
Terry style!
Scribbly style.
Scribbly, there's your flag. Zigzag around those bags and grab it.
Let's see how the race is going.
Don't cry, Hope.
Giving your flag to Hope was very nice of you, Scribbly. You made my little one so happy.
I'd rather make Hope happy than win the race. Don't worry. Carry on the race without me.
Congratulations! You completed the challenge!
It's about time for my prank.
Balance is key to the martial art cat fu, but what sounds simple is not so easy to do. A lap around the house you must complete, but drop your carrot and you'll only know defeat.
Now, Boss isn't gonna sit and watch like a good boy. I'll make Kato's challenge fun with an artful ploy.
Ready? Go! Yes!
Wow! This route is harder than I thought, but I can do it!
Terry, where are you going?
I'm getting my carrot!
Terry's off course.
Hey, Pilou! Winston's garden is full of cat traps.
I know, Lampo, but I gotta help Terry.
Buffy cats, let's go lend Pilou a paw. There's not much time to find Terry and Pilou before the traps go off. There!
Stop it, Terry! We gotta go back!
My carrot!
Now the real fun begins.
I'll catch you, carrot!
Boss is playing his pranks again. Watch out, Terry! I see you, boss, but you're not gonna catch us!
Oh, really? Let's see how you do against the trappies.
A dog. Dogs are our friends.
But I'm a cat!
No, Terry! If you're a cat, the trappies will attack you!
You're right, Pilou. I'll pretend I'm a dog. Meow!
Cats are not our friends. We must attack.
Leave it to me, Terry. It'll take a little bit of cuteness.
They're so sweet and nice.
Oh, my whiskers! There's too many! I'll never be able to distract them all!
Buffy Cats?
I've got a Buffy brainstorm, milady. I'll take the remote right out of Boss's paws.
No! Remote control!
Ha! Trapeze! Attack Boss!
Trapeze? Get away! Buffy Cats, this isn't over!
No, Boss. Not until you can get your remote back.
Pilou, you were awesome!
Thanks, Pilou!
It was kitten's play. Come on, Terry. Let's finish the race.
To complete the race, throw your carrot in the basket and pick up the pace.
You were both great. Terry, you made it first. You win the trophy.
Yes, Gabby, but I dropped my carrot once. Pilou never dropped hers. Gabby, I think the real winner of this scooter race is Pilou.
Great, Terry. That's very sports cat-like.
Thank you, Terry. You are a true furry fellow.
Subscribe to the channel!